your boy JOSHABRAHAM in it. And we're back with the chemical calculation. I gotta say the exam is tomorrow. And boy oh boy, I got a lot of shit to do. Why? Why would you do that? Why would you do that? Why would you do that? I was doing second exercise question paper. With a little bit of that, a little bit of this, a little bit of that. The urine, that was the question I was doing. The urine concentration of calcium in urine. What made me so fucked up about this question? I did not know the formula for calcium phosphate. Oh, that's the question before. Okay. I did not know. So, okay, for this question, okay, we calculate the QP ionic product and compare it with KSP. KSP is, oh, I forgot, concentration product. Solubility product, yeah. That's what it is. So from 25 milliliters of 0.40, we calculate the moles of oxalate, take it total volume, concentration, the number of moles divided by the volume gives concentration. And now we take the product of concentration with this volume, and we take the KSP from, okay, KSP is just given. What is KSP? Solubility product constant. Okay. Okay, let's do the question. Determine if precipitation takes place. 540 milliliters of urine mixed with 25 milliliters of points of oxalate 0.40. So calcium concentration is 125 milligrams per liter. You got 540 milliliters, so so 67.5 milligrams. Milligrams equals 67. So now right, given mass by molar mass, right? Right? I believe so. Okay, I got till there. 40 point. Okay, calcium. Now oxalate. Believe this is Why? What? Let me cross check this. I got 3 messages. Why is the mouse not working? Hey yo, finishing. Appreciate for checking out the stream. And Devoto did also appreciate for checking out the stream. And finishing, I'm really sorry I couldn't respond yesterday. And I don't think you're still here. Did I miss finishing again? Twice? Okay, you can. So it's mole per liter? Okay, it's mole per liter. Okay, okay. That's all I want to know. Okay, okay. Oh yeah. So we got the moles. So before we calculate the ionic product total volume, KSP, what is KSP if... So, precipitation occurs. So now precipitation occurs. We found out. Found about that. Found out about that. Can be added until precipitation takes place, or how much gas? Okay. And how much is precipitated? I don't know. I need to check the answer. How precipitation takes place. Okay, finishing. I thought you... Okay, you are still here. Let's play Undertale then. Let's play Undertale, but... You know... Are you still here, finishing? No. I'm sorry, bro. I could not see your message on time. It's just... It's just... Okay, you're still here. Finishing. I mean, we could play Undertale. From what I remember last time, it was... Now here. Okay. 15 minutes of Undertale. Let's fucking go. Let's reset time for 15 minutes. So from last time, if I remember, it was a trap. I could not complete the part. Can I take the cheese from this oven? It's stuck to the table. That's it? Okay, I can't take the... Please stop with the messages. Okay, they found me. And... I really don't want to fight them. The shirt they're wearing. Like, what about it? Bro! Are you thinking what I'm thinking? Bummer. This is like mega embarrassing. We like actually have to kill you and stuff. Bro, you know what I'm saying? Fair no. Whisper, because be honest with his feelings, okay? Like what? I don't get it. No, please leave me alone. Ooh. Whisper. I want to tell you. Ah, why? Whoa. Clean armor. Whisper. What the? It's cooling dirt begins to wash away. Whoa, what the? O2 watches your movements. Whisper. I won't tell. This is the one I hate the most. You can't predict how. I don't know if it's doing the trick. Can I spare them? Like you're dead and all. Okay. I can't spare these fuckers. I mean, I'm about to die. Stick. What? I bought some stuff. Clean armor. Getting warmer. Can't take it. Armor too hot. Much better. Whisper. Okay. Please survive. Survive, god damn it. I remember buying stuff from hands, but I think I have to save the game, I guess. I guess I didn't save. No way. I gotta do this again just to get there. What was down there? What was the... bro. Yep. One hot dog and I'm done. I'm broke. Just like that. Do these people have something? That's it? Okay. What was down here? Accept the friend request. Reject. I don't take normal friend requests. Take it. It might be some armor, you know, defense armor. It could be. Could be. Please Lord, remember. Oh no, I can't get out of here. No! Oh, what was that? What was that? Got him. Got him. So if I remember, I have to keep on cleaning the armor of the second person until that guy just fucking tears it apart. And then I gotta whisper to the first person. That's how it is. That's how it is. There should be some option to skip. Nope, just clean armor. Clean dash. Gotta keep cleaning until I figure it out. Oh, this guy okay? That was fast. Much better. Whisper. Dude, I can't take this anymore. Not like this. Like, oh, dude, I like you, bro. The way you fight, the way you talk. I love doing team attacks with you, man. Oh, there's no man, okay. I love standing here with you, bouncing and waving our weapons in sync. Oh, too. I want to stay like this forever. My man, you can't say no to that. Psych, gotcha, bro. Yeah, bro. Do you want to get some ice cream? You should after this. No, not after this, right now. Are looking at each other happily. Fair? We did. We did. That was good. Stop with, can I turn my phone off? Is that character male? I think both are male. Okay, I'm back. Okay, you are back on the right time. You are useless. Another dark room, huh? Don't worry. My hacking skills have got things covered. Are you serious? It's a news. Good evening, beauties and gentle beauties. This is Metaton, reporting live with MTT News. Cause I'm about to call them gay. I mean, people, come on, let people be happy with each other, you know? Let them be. An interesting situation has arisen in the Eastern Hotland. Fortunately, our correspondent is there reporting live. Brave correspondent, please find some newsworthy to report. Our 10 wonderful viewers are waiting for you. I got one viewer. Okay, oh, I can still walk. Okay, we got a football up here. No, it's a basketball. It used to mean happy. Okay. Too bad you can play with these balls. They're MTT brand fashion basketballs for wearing, not playing. Okay. You can't get rich and famous like Moy without beautifying other few orbs. Reporting this one. No, look more. What do we get? Wait. We got a white dog. What a sensational opportunity for a story. I can't see the headline now. A dog exists somewhere. Frankly, I'm blown away. Report this one, yeah? A white dog, that's... Attention, viewers. Our correspondent has found the dog. Cue audience. I mean... That's right, folks. It feels good. It's a feel-good story of the year. Look at its ears. Tiny paws, fluffy tail. Wait a second. That's not a tail. That's a fuse. Oh no! That dog, it's a bomb! You haven't even seen the rest of the room yet. Oh my. It seems everything in this area is actually a bomb. That present is a bomb. Okay, so I should run, right? That basketball's a bomb. Okay, even my words are bomb. Okay, let me just run out. Get out of here. If you don't defuse all the bombs, this big bomb will blow you to smithereens in 2 minutes. Then you won't be reporting live any longer. How terrible, how disturbing. Our 9 viewers are going to love watching this. What happened to 10 viewers? Good luck, darling. Ring. Don't worry, I installed a bomb defusing program on your phone. Use the defuse option when the bomb is in the defuse zone. Now, go get him, tiger. What do? No, not spare. Oh, okay, fight, I guess. No, that was wrong. No? What? What? Idiot! Oh, I got him? Okay, I got one. What did I do? Oh no. Okay, we got the next one. I don't even know what I'm doing, but some shit's happening. Okay, we have reached 15 minutes. Please give me a save option. Oh shit. Okay, that's done. What's that? What is that? Too bad, darling. You failed to defuse all the bombs within 3 minutes. Now, Big Bomb is gonna blow you to smithereens. Ready, Weavers? Here comes the moment you've been waiting for. Aha. Goodbye, darling. It seems the bomb isn't going off. Ring. That's because while you were monologuing, I change. Oh no, you deactivated the bomb with your hacking skills? Yeah, that's what I did. Curses, it seems I've been foiled again. Curse you, human. Curse you, Dr. Alpice, for helping so much. But I don't curse my 8 wonderful viewers for turning in. Until next time, darling. Boy, that was close, huh? I guess a little closer than I would have liked. Okay. I should have given you better directions, and there just wasn't enough time. Well, that's Metaton's fault, not mine. I can't second guess myself now. I'm finally starting to feel confident about guiding you. I'll protect you from that mean old robot no matter what. If I have to, I'll even turn. Bro. We're halfway to the core. Let's go. Click. Let me just. I need to save. Give me a save point, please. Please. No save point? I noticed you have been kind of quiet. Are you worried about meeting Asgore? Well, don't worry, okay? The king is a really nice guy. I'm sure you can talk to him. And with your human soul, you can pass through the barrier. So no worry, okay? Just forget about it and smile. I really want to save. Oh no. No, no, I'm not doing this. North and south. North is okay. Also, I'd like to say I don't really like giving away puzzle solutions, but if you need help, just call me, okay? Okay. Wait, I actually have a good idea. Let's be friends on Undernet. Then you can just ping me when you need help. We got Undernet? I signed you up, didn't I? You've been reading my post the whole time. Well, I hope you agree with me about Mew Mew too. I don't use social media. Well, I think this place is left floor 3, so I could come here next time. And not gonna lie, we are reaching Asgore. I believe we're reaching Asgore. It's gonna be cool. Peace. I feel really glad for solving that puzzle. Not puzzle, like it's either I have to kill those 2 guards or I could have saved their lives. And I did it. I saved their lives. On my own. I did not use what? Nothing. Just this guy up here. That was cool. Finishing, are you still here? Based on the result, calculate how much calcium oxalate can be added until precipitation takes place and how much calcium oxalate precipitates. Yeah, initial moles, equilibrium. Let X equals moles of calcium 2 plus precipitated. Uh-huh. Well, finishing, I guess you are not here. I don't know. But I'm gonna refresh the chat because, there's a lot of text up here. And as always, really appreciate finishing for checking out the stream. So at equilibrium, K's concentration of calcium equals KSP of calcium oxalate divided by concentration of oxalate. Total oxalate after precipitation somewhat equals initial oxalate minus precipitated oxalate. Total oxalate, initial minus precipitation. Yeah, that means total. Let X be the number of moles of calcium 2 plus precipitated. Final moles of calcium. Oh, that's I forgot the table. It's with the minus. Okay. And same amount of calcium oxalate and same amount of oxalate and same amount of calcium is being precipitated because they both are in a 1:1 ratio. So we take minus equals KSP. Mm-hmm. What the fuck you do? Whoa. What are you doing? I think ChatGPT might have better. Okay, this is not my ChatGPT. Where are the answers? Come on. Yeah. Precipitation. Limiting ion calcium because calcium is lower. 0.02. Okay. Yeah, calcium is lower. Okay. Smaller initial moles. Moles of calcium formed equals moles of calcium 2 plus. What? How? Figaro. I mean, the whole calcium just got precipitated. I don't. Is that how it is? Is that how it works? So you are saying the entire initial number of moles of Ca is precipitated? 0.22 grams. I don't think that's the answer. Oh yeah, good catch. Not the entire initial amount of calcium necessary to precipitate, but here's how. Why in this case it basically does. Initial after mixing gave, yeah, that's a product, but KSP is this, yeah. KSP is greater, so the solution is highly saturated. A lot of precipitation will occur until equilibrium is reached. Stoichiometry is 1:1, yeah. So the ion with fewer moles per present determines how much solid can form. Calcium is limiting. Extent of precipitation. Since calcium is limiting, Q is massively larger than KSP. Precipitation will occur until nearly all calcium is consumed. At equilibrium, only a tiny leftover concentration of calcium on the order of 10 raised to minus 5 moles. Why though? Why 10 raised to minus 5? Remains dissolved, which is negligible compared to mole we started with. For practical purposes, yes, essentially all of the calcium moles precipitate. Mm-hmm. Interesting. So almost. So for every question where ionic product is higher, the precipitate would be whoa. OpenAI just crashed. Okay, the precipitation occurs until the ionic product equals um KSP. Okay. Okay. How much was the initial number of moles of calcium? What was those answers? 1.68 into 10 raised to minus 3. Okay. And 0.01 moles of oxalate 1.68 into 10 raised to minus 3 moles of calcium. Limiting factor. Precipitation occurs until QP equals KSP, ionic product. Uh-huh. What's the molar mass? 40 plus 24, 64. 64 plus 04, 16 times 4, 40. 64 plus 40, 104, 104 plus 6 fours to 24, 128. Given mass by molar mass. 0.215 grams. That's the amount of precipitate. Okay, I got a reply. So that question paper is done. Now it's the third elemental analysis of a monomer of polyurethane. Okay. Tomorrow I should be doing this exact three question papers again. I decided that I have to do these again because I think these three summarizes almost all the questions. Shut the fuck up, Siri. God damn it. Why? File. No, I want to see the place where it's saved. I can't even. Ah, that's where you did this at equilibrium. Elemental analysis for a monomer for a polyurethane synthesis gives 61% carbon, 3.4% hydrogen, 18.2% oxygen, and 17.3% nitrogen. The molar mass is smaller than 500 grams per mole. Determine the sum formula, all possible sum formulas for this substance. I do remember somewhat how to do this. Sodium sulfide reacts with potassium permanganate. Oh, sodium sulfite. in slightly basic conditions to manganese dioxide and sulfate. Write down the balance equation for oxidation and reduction as well as the overall chemical equation. Calculate the pH of 0.150 molar hydrochloric acid solution. pH of... So let's take 1 liter of this solution, so 150, 0.150 moles of hydrochloric acid in 1 liter. Density, okay. We have, okay. Calculate the volume of concentrated hydrochloric acid that is required for the preparation of 85 milliliters of an 0.15 molality hydrochloric acid solution, 24 milliliters of 0.135 moles of sulfuric acid. Alright. This is H2SO3. I think that's hydrochloric acid, okay, not sulfuric. No, hydrochloric is HCl. H2SO3, what is it? Sulfurous acid. Okay, I just needed the name, that's it. Don't go too much. Write down all the chemical equations that lead to the formation of hydronium ions in this solution and argue with which of these can be neglected for the calculation of pH. Calculate the pH of the solution. Calculate if precipitation of barium sulfide takes place if 8 millimole barium ions are added. Oh yeah. Calculate the pH if 24 milliliters of 0.037 millimole sodium sulfide solution are mixed with 3 milliliters of 0.150 millimole of hydrochloric acid solution. Okay. Oh, for the first question, we got 61%. Now we take 100. Yeah, okay, that was the first step. 100-gram sample divided by their mole or mass to convert to moles. Now the smallest. Not perfect integers converted to integers. We get in the that's the empirical formula. Check the molar mass, which is 174. So possible, some formula would be that. Okay, and multiple possible and multiples possible, but simplest fits known monomers. Okay, so I got that one. So you just divide it. And what's the second question? Sodium sulfide reacts with potassium permanganate. I don't know the reaction. Oxidation sulfide, SO3 2 minus to SO4 2 minus. SO3 2 minus plus 2OH minus gives balancing O with OH minus and high H2O in basic medium reduction. So the final equation would be 3SO3 2 minus plus 2MnO4 minus plus 2HH2O gives 3SO2 SO4 2 minus plus 2MnO2 plus 2OH minus. Dominic Bone. Who is this guy? Institute of Physical Chemistry. sodium sulfite in a manganese dioxide and sulfate. Now we got sulfate H2SO4 SO4 2 minus. So sulfite is SO3 2 minus. So Na2SO3 or Na2SO3 twice. Let me see sodium sulfite. I don't know how this thing looks. Oh, come on. Na2SO3. That's it. Okay. Okay. Manganese dioxide and sodium sulfate. Can you give me the full reaction? No, with the sodium. Three Na2SO3 plus 2 given a 4 plus water. I mean, it's basic, but yeah. Gives Na2SO4 plus 2MnO2 plus KOH. We got a KOH. Potassium. Okay, I'll look into that later. Now calculate the pH of 0.150 moles of H2SO4. We got the density, strong acid, H plus. pH equals, okay, we just go direct, okay. Oh no, okay, that's too powerful. Calculate the volume of concentrate. Auto catalysis. So it's 12 to 1 the last study session. Okay. Hey Siri, set a timer for 1 hour.
Counting down.
So when should we look into water auto autoprotonation? I forgot the term. Auto ionization. Yeah, that was the term. I'll be right back. Let me just wash my hands. It's pretty cold. What the is wrong with these hands? Ow, ow. Water autoionization. When do we consider it? Very dilute, strong acids or bases. It's less than your water contribution matters. Okay. Neutral water or pure solutions. And pure water buffer near neutrality. When you're close to pH 7, sometimes KW is used using equilibrium calculations. In your heat seal example, okay. Ignore water. Okay. Calculate the volume of concentrated sulfuric acid, hydrochloric acid that is required for the preparation of. So, mass of HCO. $85 milliliters of. So you first convert it to moles, then mass of HCO, that's pure HCO. In this concentrated solution, 37% of. Okay. E. Oh, E is a. What's the name of H2SO3? Sulfurous acid. Write down all chemical equations that lead to the formation of hydronium. HCl plus H2O gives hydronium plus chloride. Sulfurous acid plus water gives hydronium plus. Okay. Calculate pH. "24 milliliters of sulfurous acid mixed with 3 milliliters of hydrochloric acid." Now we gotta find the sulfurous acid, number of moles, HCl number of moles, strong acid, weak acid. But better IC including common ion effect from HCl. I think I should ask this question ChatGPT. 1 part 3. Approximate H plus, because HCl is strong acid and significant amount, its contribution dominates. Concentration of HCl slash H plus. First dissociation. Using approximation for weak acid in presence of strong acid. What the? What is this? Okay. Approximate H plus, because HCl is strong and significant amount, its contribution dominates. Yeah. We use approximation for weak acid in presence of strong acid. I did not understand this equation. Strong acid fully dissociates H plus. Okay. Ka. Suppression of weak acid by strong acid. Plug in the numbers. How did you... I believe this for Mm-hmm. Okay, A equals H total plus X. Write down all, okay, calculate the pH of the solution. Now we got the H plus and log of H plus, okay. Calculate if precipitation of barium sulfide takes place if 8 millimoles of barium sulfate ions are added. Uh, I believe there's ionic product. That formula is included here. Oh, okay, we got PKSP, okay. Are you kidding me? Yeah, 56, it's group number 2 plus 2. Uh-huh. Oh, well, let's see what deeps he got. Uh, Calculate SO3 to minus from H2SO3 and pH. Most is in HSO3 minus form. Second pKa1, pKa2. Mm-hmm. That's okay. That is required for varying. Okay. Mm-hmm. So this part is what confused me, but I still get it. Use the equations. How do you get the this line? Okay, then you take the product and compare it with the PK's KSP. If it's higher, then there should be precipitation. The precipitation would be what? So I guess I have to do this myself. 6.57 raised to minus 8. Oh, that's. Uh-oh. Take piece. Now, last question F. Sodium sulfide solution I mix with 3 milliliters. Uh-huh. So sodium sulfide, that is I gotta see how ChatGPT. Yep, I'll do this after the break, 30 minutes break, and I'm really rethinking the choices. Should I do all these question papers again or should I do more questions? I think I should do these question papers again. That's what my intuition says. Because if I start looking at all the other questions, I'll be like, oh, that's a lot of questions. I don't think I'll do all the 96 questions today. So yeah, let's see. Peace out, YouTube. I'll be back in 30 minutes.